because I am a resident of Bandra itself, and I'm very happy that this is happening here. It is on us to protect the environment, and why just celebrate one day for environment? I think every day should be World Environment Day for us, because our future generations should at least be able to enjoy everything that is around us. We have enjoyed it, and we shouldn't be selfish and finish it all off, and take care of our environment for our future generations. So I think all of us should pledge for that.
And we have the most handsome MLA of Bandra, Mr. Ashish Shelar. On stage, big round of applause to Mr. Ashish Shelar. I would like Mr. Asif Bamla to give away a sapling to Mr. Ashish Shelar because they want to flag off the event with Mr. Ashok Kapoor. This gentleman is trying to bring a lot of change in Bandra. So let's have a big, big, big clap for Mr. Ashish Shelar for all his work, what he's doing to make Bandra better and better. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. आपको फिर बुलाना है, आना है. आपको मतलब जसबिन आप फ्लैग ऑफ करिए सर. ओके, आशीष जी बात करेंगे, चलिए. ओके, या आशीष शेलार जी.
Good evening to everybody. We are really here happy and privileged to be here. Every year Bhamla Foundation organizes World Environment Day. The message to have a better neighborhood and a better society, we need to have a protection of the environment. That is the key message. The basic campaign has been started long back. I think this is 8th year that Asif and his team is trying to do the best for this neighborhood. As a MLA, I congratulate him. Rather, I will feel that I am the part of Bhamla Foundation also for all good causes. And all the Bandrites are already here. Celebrities, actors like Zarina ji, Kapoor Saab, and everybody who are participating in this event. Our Deputy Mayor is also there. I welcome her. Thank you so much.
आप और अलका केरकर जी हमारे बीच में. चाहूँगा सुनील चौहान जी, आप मैडम का स्वागत करें बामला फाउंडेशन की तरफ से प्लीज.
थोड़ी फुर्सत जब मिले. रिवर्ब थोड़ा सा कम चाहिए.
I think I'm happy.
I said Priya Didi is living in a good environment, so that's the secret of a good health.
नहीं, but प्रिया जी, but और भी कुछ बताइए, मतलब you know ना, you have so much of experience about promoting environment, and I'm sure these people really want to. You like to share with them, please.
First of all, like to begin by congratulating the Bhamla Foundation and Asif, who every year really makes it more and more spectacular. So congratulations, Asif. And we celebrate World Environment Day every year for one day. But I think we must realize that this is something which we have to consciously make an effort towards. There are many people my age here, and I'm sure many of you remember that when we were kids, we didn't have showers to have a bath with. We used to take a balti and a lota and have a bath. How many of you remember that? And when we talk about segregation of garbage, that was something which we were just brought up by. We always segregated our garbage, and we had a kabadiwala coming and taking it all away once a month. So I think we need to get back to basics. We need to educate our children about basics. We've really been spoiled over the years, in the sense we've got everything and now we've taken that for granted. So I just want to really give this message to everyone that the earth is one of the most beautiful places, and it is not ours to destroy. We have just borrowed it. We live here, we have the beautiful trees, the seas, the rivers, the mountains. How much more can we ask for? And from our side, what are we giving back to them, to earth? Nothing but destruction. So please, I think we need to make a very, very conscious effort every day of our lives and educate our children so that their future is a better future than what we have for ourselves. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Priyaji. Thank you so much. And I think last year also I remember saying something about your fitness level. And the reason I talk about that is because I think it's very, very important, agar hum apna khayal rakhte hain, being in touch with nature, being in touch with health. You know, health, it's about health, personal health, social health, environmental health. हर चीज़ जो है सही रहनी चाहिए, अच्छी रहनी चाहिए, starting from yourself and extending out to the environment that we live in. हम कभी भी किसी गंदे घर में रहने का को पसंद नहीं करेंगे. वैसे भी ये पूरी दुनिया हमारा घर है, इसका ध्यान रखना है हमने. That's why we are here. So we'd like to make a very special presentation.
To Soham ji from Mr. Asif Bhamla. Soham ji को sapling दे करके एक छोटा सा. Do plant this. इसमें ये सासू green का manure है. Which can put this.
And this is the best gift that Bhamla Foundation has taken the initiative to give all the artists, because flowers, if we give, they die soon. But these saplings will grow and create more oxygen for all of us to breathe. So that's a wonderful initiative. Thank you very much, Priya ji. Thank you, Soham ji, once again. And of course, Asif Bhamla ji, for always making this such a grand success every year.
That's very true. Okay. I have this organization called Free a Billion. And I'm sure they're around. Apshita and group, right? This organization is a people-led movement in Mumbai and purpose. So Priya ji will select the names. We're announcing the results now.
All right, we had 11 people that had correct entries. All right, okay. The first one is Leslie Almeida. We've got Kenneth D'Souza, Sagar Rati, Maxwell Mascarenas, Laurel Dias, Sheila Pereira, Sabrina Young, Marianne. Okay, and we've got the last one, which is Marianne Carmarker and Ethan Costa. Okay, that's it, yeah. There are 11 that answered correctly. We've got their slips in here in this little box, and we're going to ask, all right, go ahead. We've got someone to do the honors. Shall I call out the names? Okay, first one. All right, the first winner is Maxwell Mascarenas. If you're here, identify yourself, or you can always pick up your prize after the event.
Mark has all. Mark has all. Isko,
All right, second one. We've got 5 prizes this evening. We've got Sheila Pereira. If you're in here, please make yourself known. Or else we've got your mobile number. We can always contact you with an SMS.
Okay, before the final result, I'd like to call the renowned celebrity chef with us, Mr. Vaibhav Mahajan, to please come on stage. Mr. Vaibhav Mahajan.
All right, the third one that was picked up is Remo Pereira. Yet another Pereira. Remo, if you're here, make yourself known, or you can contact us after the event. Last two, we've got last two.
Vaibhav,
All right,
Vaibhav, do
okay.
the
How are
honors,
you?
Vaibhav, please.
How are you doing? All well. Okay, fine. We've got this one in here. We've got Sagar Rathi. Are you in here, Sagar? You've got a prize. You can always claim it after the event. And we've got the last one. All right, we've got David Caldos.
Wow.
David Caldas.
Wow, he
yes.
was there. He was
Okay,
awarded by
he's
the
in
Bamla
there.
Foundation last year. David Caldas. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to all the winners, and thank you very much for joining us
Vaibhav
on
ji.
stage, our chief guests. Thank you.
आप क्यों जा रहे हैं सर? ये पहुंच का क्या करना है? कुछ tips, something really to go really healthy. We have Mr. Vaibhav Mahajan, a very renowned celebrity chef.
Mr. Sanjay Deshmukh ji. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Bamla. MCGM is working very closely with Mr. Bamla and Bamla Foundation, and you must be aware, or some of you must have seen a film we have made along with Amitabh Bachchan, TB Harega, Desh Jeetega, with Bamla Foundation and others. And my best wishes for every success of this program. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Deshmukh. We've just received, with a lot of fanfare, Mr. Sanjay Dutt ji. But thank you, Mr. Deshmukh, for your words and for your support always. And a big, big round of applause for the Bandra Cycle Club and Team Burning Wheels. Thank you very much, and congratulations. Keep up the great efforts. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay Jha. Thank you, the team Burning Wheels and the Bandra Cycle Club.
It's great to see one of our favorite stars here with us today to support the cause for World Environment Day. A very talented and the very warm and loving,
Team Chaka
great
Chak.
human being, Mr. Sanjay Dutt, with us today.
ये कॉलेज के कुछ बच्चे हैं.
You know, Mehraj, I want to share something with you. Back in the days when I was anchoring a lot, I used to interview quite a few film stars. But Sanjay Dutt ji stands out in my memory because we were having a lot of problem with our equipment at that time. And he was so patient. He waited 4 hours. It doesn't matter, no problem, take your time. Whereas most of them say, okay, we have to go, we have other things to do. But he's such a loving and patient person. I always remember that he just waited for us to finish our shoot, and then he moved on to the next thing. So it always stands out. Sanjay Dutt ji with
The
us.
man with golden heart. I know Sanjay ji is a dear friend of ours. And we have Shabbir Ahluwalia with us. Shabbir Ahluwalia from... Shabbir Ahluwalia ji हमारे बीच है, along with Sanjay Dutt ji. We have the special children here.
We request our media people to please take it easy, calm down, take a few breaths, relax. I know it's all very...
This kid on stage is a special kid. She has a major cardiac problem. She's been supported.
आओ आओ नाटक देखो आओ आओ नाटक देखो आओ आओ नाटक देखो आओ आओ नाटक देखो अरे चुप चुप अरे लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल अरे चुप अरे चुप पार्टी ऑल नाइट पार्टी
अरे पकाना बंद करो यार. हम आए क्यों हैं यहाँ? पार्टी करने, मजाक करने? आज का मुद्दा क्या है? अरे होगा वही कोई छोटा मोटा मुद्दा. अरे नहीं चाइल्ड लेबर होगा. अरे नहीं करप्शन है. नहीं आरक्षण. अरे नहीं आज का टॉपिक एकदम लेट.
To the Chakachat team from Kunal Ganjawala ji. This is for the entire group. Come closer, brother.
Woo!
Thank you, Team Chakachak. Srishti, for you. Thank you, Shama ji. Thank you, Team Chakachak. We look
Congratulations
forward to
for
be.
all your efforts, and I'm sure you'll be very successful. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. If each and every one of us took it upon ourselves to take some responsibility, it would be so easy. And I'm really, really proud of these youngsters for everything that they're doing. Fabulous effort.
Kunal Ganjawala ji is a very.
Guys, I know you're here for supporting the purpose, but I think we need to give a louder applause to Chakachak Bandra. Come on. That's the least we can do.
ये माइक अब आपके हाथ में तो मैं कैसे ले सकता हूँ इसको आपकी सुरीली आवाज सुननी है You got a band behind, sir.
My personal
The stage is yours.
congratulations and heartfelt thanks to Chakachak Bandra. It'll be shameful to ask if you have branches all over Bombay, because we should be the branches. But any which ways.
Kunalji, great to see you back on stage.
Thank
We
you.
were
Thank
together last year as well for this cause, and looking forward to hearing your melodious voice.
Big congratulations to the Bamla Foundation. Asif, you're doing a great job for years now. And that's why I firmly support the cause.
And ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Kunal
ये क्यों नहीं गा रहे
Ganjawala.
पता है कोई आवाज ही नहीं आ रही ऑडियंस से
No, आवाज
अरे
तो-
कम ऑन कुणाल गांजावाला कम
भाई
ऑन
साहब,
गाइस
अरे आप लोग साफ करने वालों के लिए आवाज नहीं कर रहे तो मेरे लिए क्या करोगे यार?
दिस इज वेरी सैड यार
हटाओ हटाओ. Like Sanju
कम
Baba,
ऑन सम मोर नॉइज फॉर कुणाल गांजावाला
like Sanjay Dutt, like Sanjay bhai said on the clipping, सच बोलूं तो तुम अपने आप को बचा रहे हो भाई साहब. So better wake up and smell the coffee, man. All right? Okay, that's my microphone. This, can I have a little more volume on the microphone, please, on the monitors. I'd like to do a small line for Sanjay Dutt ji, since he's here and
show his support for the Bhamla Foundation, World Environment Day in association with ZTV and IIFL. Sanjay ji, we're all looking forward to hearing from you. What you have to say, a few words, please.
पहले ये कुछ बात करें. I want to tell you something. हर एक के वक्त होता है. Everything is sorted now and Sanjay Dutt is back. और जब ये वापस आए हैं तो एक ऐसी चीज लेकर आए अपने साथ जो पर्यावरण को बहुत सपोर्ट करती है. जब हम खालिद कुरैशी के साथ इनके साथ गए तो इन्होंने सबसे कहा अगर हमारी सबसे बड़ी पोल्यूशन की प्रॉब्लम है तो वो है प्लास्टिक बैग्स. तो हम प्लास्टिक बैग्स को कैसे मैनेज करें? संजय दत्त जी ने कहा आई विल शो यू द इजीएस्ट वे टू मेक अ पेपर बैग, what he has learned in his tough life. So ladies and gentlemen, a live demo of paper bag made with the hands of Sanjay Dutt ji. Aaiye. Come on everybody.
And then can you autograph it for me and I'll take it home? Okay? Then you can autograph it for me and I'll take it home.
There are many. We have made many.
Everybody, we can, Miraj, we can auction it and
can.
raise lots of funds for Bhamla
Absolutely.
Foundation for all the
But
good
before
work.
he does that bag का thing, बांद्रा की जनता बेकरार है आपको सुनने के लिए.
Thank you, Miraj bhai. Good evening, namaskar. I'm a Bandra boy. I love Bandra, I love Mumbai, I love India. सबसे पहले I just want to thank Asif for inviting me here and making me a part of Environment Day and Asif Bhamla Foundation. I will always support it. और आप लोग को बोर नहीं करूँगा. वो तो आप जानते हो, पानी बचाओ, झाड़ उगाओ, ये सब. लेकिन बहुत सारे लोगों ने जब मेरे पास आते हैं मुझे पूछते कि भैया तुमने वज़न कम कैसे किया. अब अभी कोई जिंदल फार्म जाता है, पैसे वेस्ट करता है. मैं बोलता हूँ सबसे इजी चीज़ क्या है, जेल चले जाओ यार. वहाँ कोई पैसे भी देने नहीं पड़ते, वज़न कम हो जाता है. एनीवे बट जेल बहुत बुरी चीज़ है, मैं जानता हूँ, लेकिन वहाँ कुछ सीखने को भी मिला. यू गॉट टू टेक एवरीथिंग इन अ पॉजिटिव वे. और मैंने एक चीज़ सीखी विच हेल्प्स एनवायरनमेंट, और वो ये है कि वो प्लास्टिक बैग को यूज़ नहीं करना. और यू मेक बैग्स आउट ऑफ पेपर. जो न्यूज़पेपर आपके घर में होता है उससे ही आप बैग बना सकते हो. 10 किलो का वज़न उठाता है वो बैग, और वो मैं आपके सामने बनाकर पेश करूँगा. थैंक यू.
अरे वाह, fabulous, fabulous.
तो लाइट्स ओके. तो संजय दत्त ने क्या किया कि 2 न्यूज़पेपर लिया. ओके, 2 न्यूज़पेपर्स रेगुलर, 1 chart paper in that. Yeah. ओके संजय भैया, तो चार्ट पेपर लिया, न्यूज़पेपर लिया, एक साइज में चार्ट पेपर को कट किया क्योंकि चार्ट पेपर का साइज बड़ा होता है, तो यू हैव टू कट अकॉर्डिंगली टू द साइज ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर.
संजय जी
उसको एक फोल्ड दिया.
10 किलो तक वजन ले सकता है ये बैग.
उसको एक छोटा सा फोल्ड दिया और एक इंच का 2 फोल्ड दिया उसको. बैठ जाइए.
Then you flip it over. Then do a back bend from one side.
Yeah.
Okay. And then again one more fold, back fold. हम सबको शायद बोट बनाना आता है ना पेपर से, something like that, back fold.
स्टेपलर से
फिर staple
attach,
किया.
join the 2 papers together. Using a simple sellotape to stick this back together. It's a very simple method. I mean, Sanjay bhaiya, yeah.
It's nice and strong. Okay, tuck it in from the side. और उस तरफ से भी, लेकिन अभी भी इसमें there's a hollow, right?
वो करते हैं ना.
Okay.
Yeah.
And nice strong bag, just like Sanjay ji himself.
10 किलो का वजन उठाएगा Ruby, can you imagine? I mean,
एक
a
किलो
simple paper
पटाटा,
bag can.
टमाटर, कांदा.
That is what you call for banishing of plastic, actually,
That's how
Mr. Bamla.
that's how
Very
you
true.
banish plastic. Plastic इतनी खराब चीज़ है ना. Wait, turn it around, turn it around. Yeah.
Yeah.
अंदर से भी टेप लगाना है और मजबूत बनाने के
वो
लिए.
शेफ की जो कैप होती है ना, ऐसी कुछ शेप में बनता
Something
है.
like that, yeah, to start with, and then अंदर से टेप लगा रहे हैं.
कैची.
So 1 किलो कांदा, बटाटा, टमाटर, 10 किलो. सारे बैंड्रा वासी आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आपकी कंसंट्रेशन जारी है.
संजू बाबा की सीखो, बैग बनाना सीखो instead of calling him.
ओके, एक फुट रूलर लिया.
हाँ.
फुट रूलर से
फुट रूलर लिया आपने, आपको मेजर करना है 3 इंच.
3 इंच का
3 इंच
मेजरमेंट लेकर के पुट अ मार्किंग ऑन इट.
साइड से, ओके, साइड से 3 इंच मेजर करना है. मार्किंग करना है. ये मार्किंग किया है.
मार्किंग देखिए आपने, ये मार्किंग जो किया है, यू गॉट टू फोल्ड इट फ्रॉम देयर. या
Fold it from there. All right. Okay, अंदर की तरफ फोल्ड किया. प्रॉपर प्रोफेशनल बैग. अंदर की
You
तरफ
tuck it
fold
inside.
होता
थोड़ा
है.
फोल्ड करके एक अंदर को just take a
जैसे प्लीट बनाते हैं ना, वैसे
वैसा.
दोनों तरफ से. Oh wow. Okay, one sec. I just want to show these pleats. So ऐसे फोल्ड करके अंदर प्लीट बनाए 2 ताकि जगह बन जाए. Okay. Then नीचे से फोल्ड किया and staple किया. आप सबका एग्जाम लिया जाएगा इसके बाद कैसे बनाया है. So please take note. Stapling from both sides.
अब तो जरूर ये 10 किलो का वजन उठाएगा.
हाँ, अब तो
संजय दत्त के हाथ से बना तो
20 किलो का भी उठा पाएगा. I'm telling you. मिराज जी कहते हैं जब हम खाना. Oh, there it is. It's ready. Okay, there we are.
wow.
Woo!
Oh, this is a paper bag. Big round of applause. देखिए ये पेपर बैग है. This is, आइए संजय जी.
So sweet of Sanjay ji
punch-
to actually do something constructive and show us a live demo. इन्होंने इतना टाइम लिया इसको बनाने के लिए. क्या हम थोड़ा सा एफर्ट नहीं कर सकते? Let's stop using plastic altogether. Take your cotton bags to the market when you go. और कुछ नहीं तो पेपर से ये बैग बनाइए and use paper. It is much more biodegradable. Plastic तो हजारों millions of years तक it just doesn't go anywhere. It just clogs the entire environment. So it is much better to use paper या फिर reusable cotton bags. And ये है the amazing. I think we should auction this off. I'm telling you. Just sign it and let's auction it. We could raise tons of money for Bamla Foundation. A huge charity. I think this can be my new designer bag. अच्छा, proper professional. ऊपर से handles भी लग रहे हैं.
It's a simple Indian word, nada. Just tuck it in.
आप सारा glamour खत्म कर रहे हैं. This is the designer bag that is designed specifically and specially for World Environment Day by Sanjay Dutt ji.
This is made out of ganji material.
Made out of?
Okay, ठीक है, आप लेके आइए ना.
अगर संजय जी इतना एफर्ट कर सकते हैं तो हम जरूर कर सकते हैं अपने घरों. प्लीज आज के बाद अपने घरों में हम कभी भी.
So this is a live paper bag made by Sanjay Dutt. What's it guys? कुछ है वजनदार. अच्छा माइक डालता हूं मैं, चलो. अरे बाप रे, ये भी.
Okay, do we have the girl from Team Chaka Chak here? I think
Hello.
she's a worthy recipient of this bag. If the girl from Team Chaka Chak is here.
Actually Team Shauchalay and
Yeah,
Team
that
Chaka
was
Chak.
Brilliant, absolutely. And we are going to present Sanjay Dutt ji with a felicitation.
वो बैग इधर लाओ साउथ.
Sanjay ji, लेकिन
मेरी बीवी का है.
एक और
Take this
request.
home. Take this home. This is priceless. Okay, we're going to autograph this.
Sanjay ji.
Signed by him, Sanjay Dutt ji, the Bandra boy.
संजू बाबा एक और चीज, लेकिन एक रिक्वेस्ट है, एक छोटा सा डायलॉग हो जाए तो मजा आ जाएगा.
ए माँ क्या देखती है? हाँ, ये देखती है क्या? ये देख, ये 50 तोला. कितना? 50 तोला. हाँ.
थैंक यू संजय दत्त जी.
Like to
बामला फाउंडेशन की तरफ से एक छोटा सा मोमेंटम फ्रॉम द फाउंडेशन. खालिद कुरैशी जी, मिस्टर खालिद कुरैशी, तो प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज. वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट फैन. इट्स ऑलवेज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ संजय भाई दत्त एंड खालिद कुरैशी जी.
Applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Sanjay ji, who has come specially for World Environment Day today at Bandra. Somebody very innovatively suggested that the memento can be kept in the bag. Oh, that bag.
Yeah, Ari Chaka Chak team is here, and Shauchalay team, both of y'all. Arsh Mogre, come on, Shruti. अब जहां जहां जाओगे ये बैग अपने साथ ले जाना. Promote this bag of Sanjay Dutt everywhere. Khalid Qureshi ji, very senior Bamla Foundation member.
जो सेल्फी लेने के लिए खड़े ना
उनको जो बैंड्रा को साफ रखने में कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. Please put your hands together for the caretakers of our tomorrow, the people that take care of our health every day, the sanitation workers and the ward officer from the BMC that represents Bandra.
शरद जी, आपके फैंस भी लोग भी सेलिब्रिटीज
करते हैं एंड हम चाहेंगे सर आगे आइए, आप हीरो हैं. आप लोगों को
आप लोगों को हम धन्यवाद नहीं कह पाते, आपके चेहरे, आपके नाम हमसे कभी जुड़ते नहीं हैं और हम चाहते हैं स्वच्छ भारत की ओर से कि हम आप सबको सराहें, आपको वो सम्मान दें जो आपको मिलना चाहिए। फिर मीडिया को हम सबकी ओर से, बांद्रा के सारे रहने वालों की ओर से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
जोरदार तालियां फॉर दिस जेंटलमैन शरद उगाड़े जी। हाँ, रवीना जी भी आ गई। रवीना टंडन जी आप से This is a small momentum from Jaya Mirza and from the Bhamla Foundation. Sonu Sood ji, Pooja ji and Shavina ji will give an award to. I would like Mr. Sonu Sood, Pooja Batra ji to please give a small momentum from the Bhamla Foundation to Mr. Sharad Ugade and Vidya Chauhan ji also.
I think we'll do that when she leaves, please. I would request Sharad Ugade ji to say a few words because he has done a commendable job in H-West ward in Bandra.
Very special for you, sir, for all your good work you've been doing in H-West ward. Thank you so much. And a sapling. One sapling. Pooja ji will give a sapling to Vidya Chauhan ji. Ravina, you're a special sir. Yeah.
और जितना हम ढिंडोरा पीटे, लेकिन आखिर में जो काम करने वाले हैं वो तो हमारे अफसर हैं। तब यहाँ पे जो जमा है उनको कहना चाहूँगी कि हमारा एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पार्क है जिसे कहते हैं संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क। उस पार्क में कहीं ना कहीं सड़कें बन रही हैं, बिल्डिंग खड़े हो रहे हैं और बहुत सारे ऐसे इंक्रोचमेंट्स हैं जो इलीगली जमा हो रहे हैं और वही है जो हमारे मुंबई को थोड़ा हरा भरा बनाती है। तो आप लोग प्लीज जिस तरीके से मदद कर पाओ संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क को बचाने की कोशिश करो क्योंकि वो हम लोग के लिए, मुंबई के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। भावना जी, आप बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, आप फोन पे, लेकिन मैं आपकी तारीफ कर रही हूँ। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन कि आप हमारे बांद्रा वासियों को सब साथ में घिर के ला।
Member of Parliament Poonam Mahajan ji, I request you all to if you
Thank you, Ravina ji.